Hello friends, welcome again in this video. This video is about just share my experience with new screwdriver set. If you're working professionally, then you can try this one as well, because my experience is very nice with these screwdrivers. If you've watched my last video, the screw was stripped. This screw was stripped, and when I tried with this screwdriver, then easily I opened this screw. And next time if you use these screwdrivers, hopefully your screws will not stripped. Then that's why just sharing my experience. If you're doing work professionally, then try these screwdrivers. They are very nice, materials is nice. When you hold in hand, you're feeling very nice, like professional. Yeah. And magnetic of this screwdriver is powerful. You can see is a lot of screws, and he can hold nicely. But when I try with the old screwdriver, can't hold all. Materials is nice, and the signs of what type of screwdriver you want to use, star key or another type, easily you can find from shapes or from sign of backside. Easily you can find what type of screwdriver you need to use. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, because next I have some important videos and if you subscribe, then you can't miss. You can get the notification and you can watch as well. Thanks very much for my watch videos, and especially thanks for the people who already subscribed my channel. When you bought this screwdriver set, you can see on the back side of the box about head, magnetic, and silicone alloy, and the bearing as well. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you, and next time you will not strip your screws. If you want to buy this screwdriver set, you can search on the Google as well. If you can't find, then you can text me. I will help to you, send you the link where from you can buy. Thanks very much. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.